Water signs, this is part two. I cannot record again. Something is happening, but I am going to continue. Water signs, these are your messages. I give you love predictions in part one. Let's see what all messages I can give more. I'll also tell you the zodiac signs that you're involved in with probably. I see a lot of happiness for water signs. I feel some news coming in from your loved one. Sorry, it's very hot. So this is some news coming in, a love letter. I feel a love letter. Nobody's going to send you letters right now, but it's some kind of a WhatsApp thing or something that you're going to get. I like a I think it's like a confession. That's a word that I get. Somebody's going to confess their love to you. That's nice. I'm going to. Okay, that's gone. Be careful of money, like I said. That's what I feel. Just it's like don't pay too. It's great to do hard work, but please don't neglect your family or don't neglect your loved one. That's what I think. That's what I think the message is. And it's like there needs to be more love flowing. I feel in this situation you need to give more love than you need to receive. I really feel that, water signs. It's a time to give right now. Look at you sitting like a king. That's what I feel. So, but I really feel, I feel you're not being approachable right now. And in May, you got to change that, okay? So this could be for one of you, whoever's listening to this. Please change, because it's like the other person feels you're really unapproachable. What to say, what not to say, and the other person is not going to feel well. I'm telling you, this is a soulmate reading. I told you part two. Water signs. This is what keeps on coming. I'm telling you, this person is your soulmate. Let's see who's your soulmate. Or let's see who are you involved with, or let's see who are you going to meet if you've not met anybody. So remember, these are general guidances. It's not necessary that if I'm giving you a zodiac sign, you would be seeing that person or you would be involved, with that person. And it's nothing like that. Though I saw a Gemini here at the end of it, so it could be a Gemini water sign. Let's see what are the other messages, or these zodiac signs. It could be a Libran that you're involved with. It's I feel. You guys are different but still balance each other out. A lot of differences between you two, but it goes really well. One of you is really talkative, the other one doesn't talk much, and like one of you is more dominating. And I think even the person that you're going around with has two sides. It's like you enjoy their company. That's what I feel. I got Libra again here. So it's like you really enjoy their company. You like talking to them. Late night you're probably talking to them for hours. That's what I feel. You enjoy each other's company a lot, and I feel there's a lot to talk about. So it's never like, when there are no awkward pauses, or there's no silence when you talk to each other, because one of you ends up talking. It could be a Taurian, but with Taurian I feel it's not going really well. I'm going to show you the card, because with Taurian it's come reversed. You could be going around with a water sign also. That's another message that I get. I'm getting Libra, Taurian, and Gemini again and again. Because I also get that you water signs are going around with the water signs, or you could be, with a water sign. Very emotional relationship. Because Pisces is coming again and again. So it could be a Cancerian is coming to come up in your own reading. So it could be you could be seeing a Cancerian. Yeah, Pisces. I told you water sign with water sign. So let's see what other messages. Sorry, this has to be part two, and I could not delete that video because it was going so well. I'm getting this card, guys, soulmate. There's nothing else I want to say. This is your soulmate, okay? This is your reading, guys. And you're going to have a beautiful May. It's like if you were separated because of any reason, had a fight or things weren't going right. I'm telling you, you guys will be together, and it is all about trust. This relationship is based on trust. Let me hold it out for you. Yeah, that's what I feel. And all the cards are flying. I don't know why I said clouds. I don't know what is with clouds. Why did I say clouds? Could be some meaning, to that. Sometimes, a lot of times, slip of tongues are meaningful meaningful words or messages, but I know this has come out again, guys. So this is a beautiful reading. I'm closing this reading, and you're going to have a fantastic May, and I've given you a lot of messages. So do your hard work, but don't neglect anybody that you love, and express yourself. And it's time for you to work harder, okay, on the relationship. That's what I feel. It's time for you to give, okay, than to receive. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye.